What better place to open the playoffs than the world's fastest half mile? It's Bristol, baby.
Your championship can't be won here, but it can certainly be lost if you make a mistake.
The Gander Trucks playoffs underway at Bristol.
On overdrive entry, orange truck's making it work right up at the top of the flat. There you go, right through there. We're way faster than everybody else by 3 times. There you go, good corner, good exit. All clear, all clear. I'll wreck it behind it, keep digging on here, watch 88. Caution's out, back it down, debris and turn 1. Did you get loose on your own, or he just shoved you in there? 52 just dumped me. Go like hell, come here. Leader and clean air, he can make some time. Ring, 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 ring. Order, jumper, clear. All clear.
How about GMS 1, 2, 3, and 4?
He's right now. Shutting off. Coming to you. Can't race like this. Lose the brake. Stay calm, Austin. We got to make the best of this.
Yeah, they're racing for the lucky dog behind the lead.
Have a lapper down low that's 10. Leader's going to be the next one back here. 10's going to be falling the bottom. Hold these boys off here for lucky dog. That's the end of it. That's the end of the stage. I think 75 got the lucky dog.
Stage 1 goes to Brett Moffitt, his 6th stage win of the season.
These guys are going to stay out here, bud. I hate to tell you to deal with it, but we might have to. If not, we're going to go a lap down.
I mean, if it's as bad as what it was, we'll get wrecked.
Hey, bring it back to us. We'll change the ECU, buddy. Just unplug and zip it in there right quick. Go. We got to go, Josh. Get him out of there. Deep red here. Pace car's gone. He's 5 away. Ready. Green, green, green.
Back under green, and we are in stage 2 at Bristol.
Right here's where you need to pinch a little bit. There you go. Good corner. Left rear off. 3 back. Good corner. How we doing there, boss? Looks pretty damn sporty on the scoreboard. I'm target trying like a bad dog, so it's what I want. 19 and 88 jack in the top up here. Here you go. Outside and clear. Nice job. Now hit your marks. Do not overdrive. Sit right on. Keep out rapid inside. Inside is there. Today's the day to do that. By 2. Nice and easy. You do not need to pass them. You're coming to the green checker.
Tyler Ankrum with his first ever stage win in the Gander Trucks.
You got to be kidding me.
I wouldn't kid you, Mike.
I just told him the pit when pit room was open. Yeah, I was trying to say it was open. You guys were talking.
The final stage is underway. Brett Moffitt has owned it tonight.
Moffitt's like, who's this black truck that's behind me again?
Be smart here. We've got plenty of time. Outside, quarter, clear. Let the car do the work. Make good exits.
Mayer has done it. He has won at Bristol.
Our day's coming, man. Just keep your heads up. Appreciate everybody's hard work. And good job overcoming. Now there's Holly. That was terrible. I guess I should have stuck with what I know and what we know. The worst we've ever been here in a long, long time. Because next week in Las Vegas, we're going to go wax their every loving ass. I promise you that. All the middle fingers up victory lane.
For more great NASCAR on Fox content, subscribe to our channel. It's somewhere right around here.